Welcome to searching for articles using College of the Canyon's OneSearch platform. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to find academic journal articles from the library's online databases. Using OneSearch through the library's website is a quick and efficient way to access academic resources. It pulls together most of the library's electronic and print materials, making them all searchable at the same time from one central location. If you're not on campus, you'll need to log in with your Canyon's ID to access the databases. Let's begin by searching for the keywords climate change. To begin limiting to just articles, use the filter Articles Found to the right of the search bar in the drop-down menu. These results will include a wide variety of sources, so it is recommended to further refine your search by using the filters to the left of your screen under Refine My Results. The first limiter that I highly recommend you use is to click the full text button. This will filter out records that won't give you access to the entire article. There are lots of other ways you can refine your search in addition to this. For example, this search has been limited to full-text articles from peer-reviewed journals between the dates of 2016 and 2020. Also, for this search, the red check mark next to Open Access has been clicked, so results are limited to only subscription content. To view the article, either click the available online link found at the bottom of the brief record, or the title to open the full record, and then click the databases found under Full Text Availability. If you find an article that is right on topic, take a look at the subject headings or author-supplied keywords. These terms can link you to other useful sources. You can also look for the red arrows pointing upwards next to the permalink. It will lead you to other articles that were referenced in the article. This is called citation mining. If you find sources that you'd like to save to email to yourself, use the pin icon and email them all at once. You can also send yourself the proper citation format. If you have any questions or want individual help, please don't hesitate to reach out to one of your College of the Canyon's librarians.